Owen, what is wrong? Tell me.
Oh no!
What happened?
Tool is dead. It's dead, right?
The tools are stuck under the car?
There.
Can you help them?
There.
Okay, why don't you help them?
Can't help it.
How can you help them? Can you say hi, Mama?
Tea.
No, say hi, Mama.
Hi, Nana.
Hi, Mama. Can you say hi, Papa?
Hi, Papa.
Say Papa.
Papa.
Can you say hi, Mama? Oh no! Go fix the tools. Uh-oh. Oh, he had a strong man to save him.
No.
Oh no, they still stuck? Oh, you saved the tools. Say bye, Mama.
Bye, Dada.
Say bye, Papa.
Bye.
The tools are safe. Don't worry. Say bye-bye.
Bye.